Hi there and welcome to Mr. Arnold's Maths. This video we're going to look at some division problems. So I'm going to do the first 5 examples and I'm going to leave questions 6 to 10 to you. And at the end of the video I'll show you the solutions to all 10 questions and you can check and see how you did. So let's start off with number 1 here. We got 105 divided by 7. So basically what I want to know is how many times can I fit 7 into 105? Now not so easy to do this in our heads, so we need a method. So we start off by drawing an L shape like so. And I'm going to put the number I'm dividing into within the L and the number that I'm dividing with on the outside. So 7, I want to know how many times it fits into 105. So I ask myself this question: how many times does 7 fit into 1? Well, it doesn't. It doesn't go in any times. So I'm going to carry that 1 over. How many times does 7 fit into 10? Well, it fits in once. 7 times 1 is 7, and we have 3 left over. So I carry that 3. Then I say, how many times does 7 fit into 35? Hopefully you know your 7 times table, and you know it fits in 5 times. So 105 divided by 7 is 15. And that's the first one done. Let's crack on with question 2. So 216 divided by 9. Let's change pens. So I want to know how many times does 9 fit into 216. Again, not easy to do in our heads, so we need to work through it slowly. How many 9s fit into 2? Well, it doesn't fit in at all. So I'm going to put down a 0 and carry that 2 over here. How many times does 9 fit into 21? Well, knowing my times tables, I know that 9 fits into 21 at least 2 times, and we have a remainder of 3. So I carry that 3 over. How many times does 9 fit into 36? It goes in 4 times with no remainder, and that means 216 divided by 9 is 24. Great, so let's have a look at question 3. So 210 divided by 6, so the number we're dividing into goes here, the number I'm dividing with goes here. How many times does 6 fit into 2? Well, it doesn't, so I put down a 0 and I'm going to carry that 2 over. How many times does 6 fit into 21? Well, it goes in 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18, which means we have a remainder of 3. How many times does 6 fit into 30? It goes in 5 times. So 210 divided by 6 is 35. Example 4. I want to do 236 divided by 4. 236 divided by 4. So, how many times does 4 fit into 2? Well, it doesn't. So I'm going to carry that 2 over. How many times does 4 fit into 36? Or sorry, 4 fit into 23? It fits in 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, leaving a remainder of 3. And then how many times does 4 fit into 36? It goes in 9 times. So 4 into 236 goes 59 times. And last example of this bunch, 868 divided by 7. So how many times does 7 fit into 8? It goes in once, leaving a remainder of 1. So I carry that remainder over. How many times does 7 fit into 16? It goes in twice, leaving a remainder of 2, because 7 times 2 is 14, but we have 16 here, so it's a remainder 2. Carry that 2 over. How many times does 7 fit into 28? It goes in 4 times. So 868 divided by 7 is 124. So there's 5 examples for you guys to have a look at. I hope you understand the method and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to pause the video now, you can have a go at questions 6 to 10. Little bit longer because we have some extra digits, but the method is the exact same. Just work through it the way I did mine. So pause the video now, have a go at those, and I'll bring up the solutions in a second. Okay, so hopefully you've had a look at those questions, had a go. I'll bring up the solutions now so you can mark your work. And there we have it. Questions 6 to 10, there's all the solutions. There's the first 5 I did as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again sometime. Take it easy.